Hi guys, hi Dharni, hi Sushma, hi Shravika, hi Nisha. Thank you Nisha for joining here. I know you joined me on YouTube also. Hi, hi Preeti. So guys, we have today new launches, some molds, and some more new products. Are you able to hear me? Hi Ashwini. Hi little artist Kaul. Anshu, right? Anshu Kukreja. I have sent your mold what you want in guess the game. Thank you Anshu. Hi Anjali. Hi Raj Creations. Hi Bindu. Hi Gitika. Loud and clear. Okay, great. Hi Ramya. So guys, okay, 21 people live with us. So yes, more launch and guess what it is. And Dharni and Preeti, you're not allowed to guess. Dharni, Preeti, Priya, if you are there, you guys are not allowed to guess it because you guys already know. Hey Pritika, Arshida, hi, thank you Arshida for joining here. Hi Hathmaid, hi Kinjal, hi Felicia. So guys, start guessing what mold I'm launching. I will show you the back side, I won't show you the front side. So you guys can guess. This is the back side. Now tell me what it can be. Gitika, no, it's not pyramid mold. Clue please. It's not Costa Nisha. No jewelry mold, Arshida. See, I'm just showing you the back side, but I'm not giving any free giveaway in this for guessing, but just to create some, curiosity what it is. No Santa Claus, no Buddha, sorry. No Buddha. Buddha mold, Rini already has it. Fish mold, no. Oh, this looks like fish from back, is it? But it's not fish. No mirror, no. Cartoon, no. No Christmas theme. No, it's not Christmas theme at all. This was supposed to be launched 2 weeks back, but it got delayed. Yeah, Dharni, you have to zip your mouth. You can't guess it. No dolphin, no. Tree, no. Fish mold, no. Okay, I have two new molds. Flower, no. Rocket? No. Clean it. Jesus mold. No, Jesus, no mirror. Diya, no. The craft, Diya mold, no. I'm not launching any Diya molds. Okay, guys, one more minute to guess. After that, I'll reveal what it is. No, Naveed Samya, no, it's not Buddha mold at all. Buddha mold, you can go and check Rini's page. Door, Nisha, door mold. What does door mean? Frame, no, not frame. We already have frame on our side. And guys, I'm really sorry, website is under maintenance. If any of you are trying to place an order, it will be live only by evening, so please wait for some time. Toran pile, no, I don't know how Toran mold can be used. Hint, it was supposed to be launched during Diwali. Are Mahavir, no, not Mahavir. See, Buddha and Mahavir is somewhat same. And if you guys want Mahavir mold, I'm not sure. You guys can send in a request. If many of you want the Mahavir mold, I may try to launch it. No, it's not Diya. Kalashre, no. Rangoli, no. Not Rangoli mold. Okay guys, so now I'm going to reveal it. It was supposed to be launched during Diwali. So I will show you. See, for Diwali, I was supposed to launch some religious mold. So I'm going to reveal, this is actually a Ganesha mold. Ganesha with the stand. So after you pour a resin, you can take this Ganesha piece, you can make your stand also in resin matching to it, and you can just place this piece in center with the stand. Are you guys able to see the Ganesha design? I don't see any messages. I see many people joining me in. Hi Harshita. So guys, this is Ganesha. It's an oval of, I think it's a 4-inch. Let me check. Hi Priya. So guys, this can be used in your puja room, or it can be even used for your car, to place it in your car. You can gift it for someone for housewarming gift. You can make a personalized. Okay, so see, the size is more than 4-inch actually. See, including stand, it comes above more than 4-inch, but the final piece will come to 4-inch. The stand will have a 8 mm thickness, and this is the stand. Once this piece is cured, you can just place it inside this. So it stands on itself. Stop the effect, da. Oh, you want me to stop the effect? Okay, now how do I do that? 1 second. Okay, guys, please bear with me. I'm trying to remove the effect, but I'm not able to. Okay. Priya, is it clear now without effect? Here, guys, for a clear view. Ganesha mold. Okay. Yes, the second one is Lakshmi mold. It's a very cute, innocent Lakshmi image. See, even this is the same way. It comes with the stand. Once your piece is cured, you can place it in this. You can make a resin stand, and you can place in between. It sticks perfectly. You guys can use it for your puja room. You can gift it to someone for housewarming, personalize it. You can even place it in your car. Okay, are you guys able to see? See, it has an engraving of, and see the beautiful long hair this Lakshmi has. So guys, what do you think about these two molds, Lakshmi and Ganesha? Yes. So now about the pricing. Does anyone wants to know about the price? Good one. Thank you, Priya. Such great molds. Thank you. Perfect. Yes. Thank you, Dani. So guys, this mold is $6.99. $6.99 Lakshmi, $6.99 Ganesha. See, even Ganesha has a good engraving. So it's $6.99. It will be live on website once the website is up after the maintenance. So this is the new molds what we have launched, and next I'm going to show you. See, many have been asking me for the pigments in the smaller sizes, so we are launching today pigments in small sizes. See the cute little boxes, 30 grams. It's a 30 grams small boxes. Hi Komal. So all the colors, we have 15 shades. So this each box will be for 99, 30 grams of it. Because many have been asking me for the smaller packs. They don't use a lot of pigment. So they wanted a smaller packs where they can purchase all. Thank you, Priya. So guys, yeah, 15 shades. It will be up on website today, tonight. Okay, so we have 15 shades. I'll share the picture also once in Instagram, in my broadcast, in website also it will be uploaded. Yes, Rhythm Shake. Yes, that's what I just told in the beginning of the live, that the website is under maintenance. It will be up only by today evening. Okay, so guys, we have something new, a new launch. You guys would have heard a lot about water transfer sheets going on now. So we have something similar in that we are launching, which won't have a black or colorful images. It is only gold. We have in gold. Okay, so I'll show you some designs first, and then I'll show you how it is worked. Okay, so I'm just showing you the designs first. All these are gold. Okay, you can use this in multiple ways. You can use it for your coasters, your pendants, your trays, lot other, your name boards. See, this is with color, red with gold, and it is a mango shape, parsley shape, or else whatever you want to say. This is with the green color, gold. This is the another design. You can cut in the sizes whatever you want, and you can use it. This is the small leaves. You can use it for your earrings also. You can make a simple earrings into a traditional earring. See, this is a flower. You can place it on your pendants. We have many designs in this. And this is the last one. There was one small butterfly, no? I have two more sheets. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, so now, see, check this out, the small cute butterflies. Beautiful collection. Thank you, Priya. So now I'll tell you, see, I've just used a sample. I've just cut and placed this one simple piece. After placing, what you have to do is, I'll show you how to place that. First, cut and you dip that sheets in water. Whatever size you want, dip that sheets in water. Okay, I've already dipped and kept it. Once you dip the in water, once you remove, this peel comes off. Okay. And once this peel comes off, you can just place this on your I'm just showing you this sample on coaster. Place it, wipe it with the towel or a napkin or a tissue, whatever you want. Wipe it, leave it for some time to dry. Once it dries, it sticks to the surface. Okay, this I had stick before the live started, just before the live started. It's stuck and it's dry now. Okay, so this I've just placed now, so you can place it wherever you want. So like this is coaster, acrylic coaster. Okay, what we launched some time back. Once it is dry, what you guys can do, you can varnish it or you can dome it with resin. Simple coaster, you can make it into a very elegant piece. Yeah, You guys have any doubt? We can customize this designs in this, but you will have to order minimum counts on that. Any doubt you guys have regarding this water peel sheet? This is called as water peel sheet. So once you place it and dries, you can just dome it with resin. It gets sealed, or else you can even use that varnish. This can be used on any surface, wood, acrylic, resin base. I haven't tried on clothes. You can try actually. What is the minimum count? Minimum count for personal customized designs you're asking, Priya? The shape of the cut sheet. The shape of the cut sheet. That's what I just showed you. I think Surya, you missed. It comes in A4 sheet. It comes in a A4 sheet, single design. And let me see if I get a request. If people want a half sheets only, then I might just trim and launch a half sheet. Minimum you have to take 50 sheets, Priya, for customization. Guys, one more tip I'll give you. What you guys can do for this, if someone wants customization for your brand name, I can customize your brand names with your logo or whatever you want. You can use it on your resin pieces, your decoupage pieces, or whatever creations you make. So that's one idea. How much? Priya, this A4 sheet is 99 rupees. Any design you take, it's 99 rupees. And if I get request that they want only half sheet, then I will try launching only the half sheet. I may trim and give it. I meant once we varnish, we'll be able to see the cut sheet shape. You won't be able to. Once you varnish, varnishing is for sealing it. You will seal that, right? So the sheet won't be shown. If you want, you can cut in the shape of the design. Like this was the round one. I just trimmed it into a square. Okay, so my team has sticked another one. See, you just varnish it. You can use whatever varnish you want, glossy, matte, whatever varnish you use, 3D, decoupage, or whatever you want to use. Mod Podge, you can use Mod Podge. The Crafty, you want your brand customization, inbox me for your brand customization. For the details, WhatsApp me. Can we have alphabets? Okay, instead of OHP, this can be done. Yes, Priya, this can be done, but you will need minimum 50 sheets in each design. Under what heading you are going to place them in your website? It will be under stickers. Shine and Sparkle Resin by Champy. Can we have alphabets? Palette for life. Let me see. If I get a lot of requests for alphabets, I will launch alphabets in this. Don't we have to remove the plastic? No, Kalashre, that's what I said. This sticks to it. See, this I had stuck just 15 before the live. Okay, it's already dry and it's not coming off. In font, what fonts, Gitika? What kind of fonts? Kalashi, the plastic is showing. That's what I said. You have to varnish it. See, even the water transfer sheets, what you use, you varnish it, right? After placing that water transfer, you have to varnish it, or else you have to do Mod Podge. You have to apply Mod Podge. I am telling simple. You can do resin doming. It gives good effect also, and good doming. It looks beautiful. So guys, I'll just show you once again the designs. Many would have not seen the designs. I'm just showing you the designs again. See, design number 1. See, I'm just saying random. Okay, design number 1. This is 2, butterfly. 3. You can use for your resin bangles also. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a cute little flower and leaf. 10, 11, 12. You can use on your wood based jewelry, you can use on your terracotta. 13. This is the design what I just showed you in the sample. This assorted designs, in the sense in one sheet itself, you are saying in one sheet itself it won't be possible to get assorted. Price of each sheet, Gitika, I just said 99. In the same sheet, one sheet not possible. Kalashree assorted one will be great. I'll try if I can, or else it will be individual single pieces. So someone, Priya, you wanted me to show you the mica pigments, right? I'll show you the mica pigments. Guys who just joined me, see the cute small pigments containers. 30 grams. Okay, I am showing you the mica pigments. This is purple. This is copper. We have red also. See, I'll show you the difference between red and copper. Red looks beautiful when you mix it with resin. Preeti had already made a swatch for us for you to check out the color difference. So this is the pale green. This is lavender, black. It's a charcoal black. It's a green. When you mix it with resin, the pigment is dark. It shows light in the live, in the camera. This is blue, silver, which looks more like metallic, but it's pearl mica. This is white, gold. So total we have 12 shades. You are able to see the shades? 12 shades. You want silver, Priya? Okay. So guys, anything else you want to show me? I am done with today's live. Next week we will be launching something more interesting. Next week, but we have a new launch next week. It is related to mold. And thank you, Kalashree. Preet is missing in life. Please bring rainbow shades. Hey Priya, rainbow shades you can create in this. See, I have red, I have purple, I have, see, for yellow you can use gold. Green is there, blue is there. What else shades you need? See, we are planning to launch more, maybe 5-6 shades next week. Okay, so guys, I think that's it. We are done with the live. Yellow, orange. Oh my god, orange. Okay, sure. Okay, thank you guys. That's it. I think people don't have any questions today. Roshni Rajashekar. Molds are really cute. Thank you. You guys want me to show you molds again? I'll show you the molds again. Guys who joined me late. See, this is the mold we launched today. Lakshmi and Ganesha. See Lakshmi's face. Cute, innocent little face. Ganesha. Hath made WhatsApp me. What's your name? Please WhatsApp me with your full name. And if you have WhatsApped me, please save the number. Only if you save the number, you will get the updates about what broadcast. So guys, you saw the 2 molds. Each mold is $6.99. It comes with this stand. You can make your personalized stand with this resin piece. Lakshmi and Ganesha. Thank you, Nitika. Hello Sanjay, are you a resin artist? I don't know, I'm seeing you first time here. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for joining live with me. I'm done with today's live. Back to work. And thank you for joining me here. YouTube, I had actually requested today to join my YouTube for the live, but I think people are more they find it more easy on Instagram. Thank you Resin Street. So guys, today we launched mold. We had launched cute little mini pigments, small sizes, and we have launched water peel sheets in many designs. Hina Tandon. Okay Hina, just message me right away. Okay, I'll just see whether if it's not saved, I'll save it. Plan for alphabet sticker. Alphabet peel sheet, surely. Let me decide on the font and then I will launch it. You want ABCD font, right? I'll try to launch it. Sure, done. Thank you guys. Bye.